Hey guys, right here at AOCleaning 4K and Restoration. We are in Smithton, Illinois, and I'm with my new clients, Laura and her husband, and we just got done refinishing their hardwood floors. We sanded them down, stained them, and recoat them with a beautiful colonial maple stain, which is it shows the character, the good grains, it's just a beautiful choice. And then she went with a commercial grade polyurethane, semi-gloss. And guys, they are blown away. But they want to leave us a video testimonial of her overall experience with the hardwood floor restoration from start to finish. Without further ado, guys, take it away.
Well, we couldn't be happier. It looks great, and the process was well explained and moved
Right along.
right along. Yeah, it's just beautiful.
I had the easy part because she made it all happen and found you guys. Wow, it's gorgeous. It's more than I had hoped for. Bringing out the wood and it's just I'm blown away. It's so nice.